Are you looking for a self-storage system installation expert? We can help. Nexlar has helped many self-storage owners protect their businesses and reduce costs. Here are the following types of security solutions that we offer for your self-storage. Fences for self-storage. The presence of protective fencing enhances the curb appeal of self-storage facilities and increases security. Intrusion alarms. Protect your property with the latest technology for alarm and videographic verification alarms. Gate with access control. Gates are the best defense against crime and unwanted visitors. Increase the value of your property and control your tenants' access. Here are the following types of access control we can install for self-storage. Keypads. These access keypads are one of the most reliable accesses you use for your self-storage facility. Proximity card. The card is a unique number that you can give to your tenants through their access control. CCTV surveillance system. Our cameras can be integrated with an alarm system and access control. Here are the following choices of security camera CCTV system. IP security cameras. It uses the IP networks by Ethernet ports or any Wi-Fi connection. License plates recognition cameras. This facilitates the identification and capture the vehicle license plates. Video surveillance cameras. It is equipped with the most up-to-date technology for high-definition IP networks. Virtual security guards. With a real-time monitor, the virtual security guard can detect any threat on the premises. Nexlar Proactive Security System. Our proactive solution can help you increase profit while minimizing your losses. Call us today at 281-407-0768 for a free on-site estimate.